Let's make the perfect basmati jollof rice. Hey food lovers, welcome to Bose's Home Kitchen, and today I'll show you how I make the classic Nigeria perfect basmati jollof rice. Very rich, smoky and full of flavor. And without wasting time, let's get started. I'll start by cooking the my protein, and I'm using turkey. You can use chicken, anything you want. I'm going to season that with some spices. I'm going to use fresh rosemary, some curry powder, some chopped onions, thyme, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to cook it on a low heat for like 5 minutes. I will then go ahead and add some water after 5 minutes, and I will leave that to cook for another 15 minutes until it is thoroughly cooked. I will then move to the rice. I'm using Tesco Basmati rice. You can use any basmati rice of your choice. I'm based in the UK, and Tesco rice is really a very good rice. Sometimes you don't get to see them before you know it, they finished all. Now I've washed the rice and it is ready. I'll go ahead and put my turkey because it is soft now. It is okay in a sieve because I want the turkey broth to drain. I don't want it by where I'm frying it, it is all splashing. So you need to put that in a sieve so that it can drain because we need the turkey broth for our jollof rice. Now everything is all set. I'm trying to fry my turkey now. You can also air fry your turkey for more healthier option or grill it in the oven. My pepper is a mixture of red bell pepper, some tomato, I have some scotch bonnet, and I also have some onions and ginger, and that is what I have blended together. In another big bowl, I will go ahead and add some vegetable oil, which is the vegetable oil that I use in frying my turkey, is what is in there. I will add a little bit of onion for flavor, and I'm going to bring them out. Bear with me, guys, because my family do not really like onions. So you can add your onions and leave it. I will go in there with just two bay leaf. I will add some curry powder. I will go in with some thyme, some seasoning cube, and a pinch of salt. I will make sure that I fry that until it darkens a bit. Fry tomato paste on low medium heat to keep it out the raw taste slowly without making it bitter. I'll go ahead and add my mixed pepper. Mix that and go ahead and add my chicken broth. Note that for the tomato paste, patience is equals to richer flavor, according to a big YouTuber. Now add your washed rice, mix well to combine and cover that and cook it on a low heat. You can use foil to trap the steam for soft fluffy rice. Okay, cook that for like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now we are halfway done. Okay, now add your veg. Now for the mixed veg is optional. Okay, I'm only adding it, okay, because it's really good to eat healthy. And you are going to cook that and make sure you cook it on a low heat for another like 3 minutes more because basmati rice does not really take time to cook. Okay, and voila, it is ready. A very smoky. It is really good, guys. You need to try this. I've come across people saying they prefer long grain rice than basmati rice. Why? I mean, after watching this and making it yourself, you will keep coming back to it. Voila, your Nigerian rice, perfect basmati rice is ready in no time. Please enjoy with your favorite friends and family. And that is one tip to wash your rice after cooking. Add baking powder and hot water and wash it, and you are good to go. The pot will become fresh and new. Let me know if you will give this a try in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you really enjoy today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And let's be friends. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.